The Mercedes-Benz V Class W447 was produced from 2014 to around 2021. This section covers the essential AC coolant information for proper system maintenance and performance. The refrigerant type depends on the model year. Post-2015 models use R1234YF, while 2014 models use R134A. The system capacity is 700 to 800 grams or 24-28 ounces, depending on the engine size. The refrigerant information sticker is located in the engine compartment, on the radiator support panel, or fan shroud. These details are crucial for maintenance. Always use certified technicians for AC service. Here are detailed parts diagrams showing the AC system components for reference. The Mercedes-Benz V Class W447 primarily uses R1234YF refrigerant. Models produced from 2015 onwards typically use R1234YF, which is more environmentally friendly. Some earlier 2014 models may have used R134A. Check the sticker in your engine compartment to verify which type your vehicle requires. Note: mixing refrigerants can severely damage the system. The AC system capacity for most W447 variants is approximately 700 to 800 grams, which equals 24 to 28 ounces. This amount can vary slightly depending on the engine size, such as 2.1 liters or 2.2-liter diesel models. Overfilling or underfilling the system can negatively impact AC performance and potentially damage the compressor, so accuracy is crucial. To ensure accurate measurement, use specialized equipment such as manifold gauges. These tools help verify the correct refrigerant amount without risking system damage. The AC system components work together to circulate refrigerant, and proper charging maintains efficient cooling. The informational sticker is usually located in the engine compartment. Look for it on the radiator support panel or fan shroud, often near the hood latch or AC condenser. The sticker indicates the refrigerant type, such as R1234YF or R134A, the required amount, and safety warnings. If you cannot find the sticker, consult your owner's manual or look for an underhood label plate. R124YF has a significantly lower global warming potential compared to R134A, with a GWP of 4 versus R134A's 1430, making it an environmentally responsible choice. Although mildly flammable, it is safe when handled correctly. Mercedes-Benz shifted to R1234YF to comply with environmental regulations and reduce the impact of vehicle emissions. Conversion from R134A to R234YF is recommended. Regular AC system maintenance is crucial for the Mercedes-Benz V Class. Experts recommend professional servicing every 2 years or 40,000 kilometers to ensure optimal performance. Proactive checks and leak detection help prevent costly repairs. Common potential issues include refrigerant leaks, which can cause compressor clutch failure. Ignoring low-pressure warnings leads to expensive repairs. Watch for signs like AC not blowing cold air or unusual noises. If you notice any of these problems, have your AC system inspected by a certified technician to avoid further damage. Refrigerant handling requires proper certification, such as EPA 609 in the United States. This ensures safe and legal operation. Improper release of refrigerants contributes to ozone depletion and global warming. These substances can harm the environment if not handled correctly. The AC system operates at high pressures, up to 200 psi. This makes proper handling crucial to prevent accidents. Any leaks must be repaired before recharging the system. This prevents further environmental damage and ensures efficiency. Always use a certified technician for recharges to ensure safety and compliance with regulations. The automotive industry is evolving toward more sustainable air conditioning systems to minimize environmental impact and improve efficiency. Future electric vehicle models are integrating heat pumps, which can reduce refrigerant requirements by up to 50% compared to traditional systems by efficiently transferring thermal energy. CO2-based refrigerant systems, known as R744, are emerging as a potential replacement for R1234YF due to their superior efficiency and significantly lower global warming potential of just 1. AI-driven diagnostics are expected to provide real-time monitoring of AC system health through telematics. allowing for predictive maintenance and reducing the need for manual inspections. Stricter environmental regulations, such as EU F-gas amendments, will continue to promote aftermarket retrofits for older vehicles like the W447, converting them to more eco-friendly refrigerants. For the latest information and maintenance guidance specific to your vehicle, always consult official Mercedes-Benz resources or a certified mechanic.